Welcome to our YouTube video that will take you on an unforgettable journey through the mesmerizing landscapes of Scotland. Join us as we unveil the country's hidden treasures and showcase the breathtaking beauty that awaits you. From the misty mountains of the Highlands to the ancient castles nestled in the rolling countryside, each destination on our list has been carefully chosen to inspire awe and wonder. So sit back, relax, and let us transport you to a land of enchantment and natural splendor. Get ready to explore the 10 most beautiful places in Scotland and fall in love with the captivating charm of this remarkable nation. Number 1. Isle of Skye. The Isle of Skye, located off the northwest coast of Scotland, is a captivating destination that will leave you spellbound. Its rugged landscapes, dramatic cliffs, and misty mountains make it a paradise for nature enthusiasts and photographers. As you explore this enchanting isle, be sure to visit the iconic fairy pools, crystal clear blue pools nestled in the midst of majestic hills. Don't miss the Old Man of Storr, an awe-inspiring rock formation that offers breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside. Take a stroll along the enchanting Fairy Glen, a whimsical landscape with its miniature hills and mystical atmosphere. The island also boasts picturesque castles, such as Dunvegan Castle, with its rich history and beautiful gardens. With its magical charm, the Isle of Skye promises an unforgettable adventure. Number 2. Loch Lomond. Welcome to Loch Lomond, a picturesque gem nestled in the heart of Scotland. This stunning freshwater loch is the largest in Great Britain, offering a tranquil retreat for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. With its crystal clear waters and breathtaking mountainous backdrop, Loch Lomond provides the perfect setting for boating, kayaking, and fishing adventures. Take a leisurely cruise along the loch's shimmering surface and soak in the beauty of the surrounding landscapes. Explore the charming villages dotted along the shoreline, where you can enjoy traditional Scottish hospitality and indulge in delicious local cuisine. For hikers, the surrounding Trossachs National Park offers a myriad of scenic trails, rewarding you with panoramic vistas of this magnificent region. Loch Lomond is a haven of natural beauty that promises an unforgettable Scottish experience. Number 3. Glencoe. Welcome to Glencoe, a place of awe-inspiring beauty and haunting landscapes. Nestled in the Scottish Highlands, Glencoe is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts and history buffs alike. Immerse yourself in the dramatic scenery as you hike through towering mountains, ancient woodlands, and cascading waterfalls. The valley's rich history is etched in its rugged cliffs and deep glens, which witnessed the infamous Glencoe massacre of 1692. Explore the visitor center to learn about the area's fascinating past and gain insight into the local culture. For photographers, Glencoe offers endless opportunities to capture breathtaking vistas, especially at sunrise and sunset. Whether you're seeking adventure or tranquility, Glencoe's majestic beauty will leave an indelible mark on your soul. Number 4. Edinburgh. Welcome to Edinburgh, the majestic capital of Scotland. Steeped in history and brimming with cultural delights, this vibrant city offers a perfect blend of old-world charm and modern attractions. Begin your journey by exploring the historic Edinburgh Castle. Perched atop Castle Rock, where you can delve into Scotland's royal past and soak in panoramic views of the city. Wander along the iconic Royal Mile, a bustling thoroughfare that connects the castle to the Palace of Holyrood House. Immerse yourself in the city's rich literary heritage at the Writers' Museum or indulge in some retail therapy on Princes Street. Don't miss the chance to visit the mysterious and atmospheric underground streets of the real Mary King's Close. With its captivating architecture, lively festivals, and warm hospitality, Edinburgh promises an unforgettable experience for all who visit. Number 5. Stirling. Welcome to Stirling, a historic city that stands as a symbol of Scottish heritage and resilience. Nestled beneath the iconic Stirling Castle, this enchanting destination offers a fascinating glimpse into Scotland's past. Explore the formidable castle, once the residence of Scottish kings and queens, and soak in the breathtaking views from its battlements. Discover the remarkable Wallace Monument, dedicated to the legendary Scottish hero William Wallace, and learn about his pivotal role in Scotland's fight for independence. Wander through the charming Old Town with its cobbled streets and quaint shops, or take a leisurely stroll along the River Forth. Don't miss the opportunity to visit the Battle of Bannockburn Visitor Center, where you can relive the famous battle that shaped Scottish history. Number 6, Isle of Mull. Welcome to the captivating Isle of Mull, a hidden gem in Scotland's Inner Hebrides. With its rugged coastline, pristine beaches, and diverse wildlife, Mull is a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Explore the colorful town of Tobermory, famous for its charming waterfront houses and vibrant harbor. Embark on a wildlife adventure and spot majestic white-tailed eagles, seals, and dolphins along the coast. Don't miss a visit to the iconic Dort Castle, an imposing fortress steeped in history and offering panoramic views of the island. Immerse yourself in the tranquility of Mull's unspoiled landscapes by hiking through scenic trails or venturing to the enchanting Isle of Iona. Known for its ancient abbey and spiritual aura, with its untouched beauty and serene atmosphere, the Isle of Mull promises a truly unforgettable Scottish experience. Number 7, the Fairy Pools, Isle of Skye. Welcome to the Enchanting Fairy Pools, a magical destination nestled on the Isle of Skye. These crystal-clear, turquoise pools, nestled amidst the dramatic Scottish landscape, offer a truly ethereal experience. Prepare to be mesmerized by the cascading waterfalls and the vibrant hues of the pools, inviting you to take a refreshing dip or capture breathtaking photographs. As you wander along the winding trails, surrounded by the majestic Highlands Mountains, you'll feel transported to a fairy tale realm. The fairy pools offer a unique opportunity to reconnect with nature and immerse yourself in the tranquility of this mystical place. Remember to bring sturdy footwear and be prepared for changing weather conditions. Whether you're an adventurer seeking a refreshing swim or a nature lover yearning for a dose of magic, the fairy pools will leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. Number 8, Glenfinnan Viaduct. Welcome to Glenfinnan Viaduct, a stunning engineering marvel nestled in the heart of the Scottish Highlands. Standing proud amidst picturesque landscapes, this iconic railway viaduct spans 1,000 feet and reaches a height of 100 feet. Constructed in 1898, it remains an essential part of the West Highland Line, connecting Fort William and Mull. The viaduct is famous for its appearances in the Harry Potter film series, where the Hogwarts Express steamed across its 21 magnificent arches. Visitors can marvel at the breathtaking views of Loch and the surrounding mountains from nearby viewpoints. Whether you're a railway enthusiast, a Potterhead, or a nature lover, Glenfinnan Viaduct promises an unforgettable experience. Number 9, the Highlands. Welcome to the enchanting Highlands, a land of breathtaking beauty and rich cultural heritage. Nestled in the rugged landscapes of Scotland, this region offers a captivating experience for nature lovers and history enthusiasts alike. Immerse yourself in the misty mountains, ancient castles, and shimmering lochs that dot the picturesque countryside. Explore the iconic Loch Ness, home to the legendary creature of myth and mystery. Discover the dramatic ruins of Urquhart Castle, steeped in centuries of turbulent history. Indulge in the warmth of traditional Scottish hospitality as you sample delectable local cuisine and savor a wee dram of Scotch whiskey. Prepare to be bewitched by the majesty and allure of the Highlands, a true gem in the heart of Scotland. Number 10, Loch Ness. Welcome to Loch Ness, a place of fascination and intrigue. Known for its legendary inhabitant, the Loch Ness Monster. Set amidst the stunning Scottish Highlands, this iconic freshwater lake stretches for 23 miles, offering awe-inspiring scenery and captivating tales. Embark on a boat tour and cruise along the dark, mysterious waters, keeping your eyes peeled for a glimpse of the elusive creature. Visit the historic ruins of Urquhart Castle, perched on the loch's shore, and immerse yourself in centuries of dramatic history. Take in the breathtaking landscapes that surround the loch, from rolling hills to dense forests. Whether you're a believer or simply captivated by its allure, Loch Ness promises an unforgettable experience that will leave you wondering what lies beneath its depths. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it informative and entertaining. I value your feedback and suggestions, so I'd love to hear from you. What topics or content would you like to see in my future videos? Is there something specific you'd like me to explore or discuss? Your input will help shape the direction of this channel and ensure that I continue to create content that you enjoy. So please leave a comment below and let me know what you want to watch next. Together, we can make this channel even better. Stay tuned for more exciting content. And until next time, take care and keep exploring.